Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever wished you could feel that surge of energy, that firmness, that stamina you had in your younger years without relying on little blue pills? If you have, you're not alone. Millions of men over 50 quietly wrestle with this. You still want intimacy, you still care about it, but your body doesn't always respond the way you'd like. And that can be frustrating, even discouraging. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural drink, something you can prepare in minutes that helps improve blood flow, boost energy, and sharpen responsiveness? A drink backed by solid science and without the common side effects of medication. Stay with me because today I'm going to walk you through exactly what this drink is, why it works biologically, how to prepare it correctly, and how to use it safely to restore confidence and performance. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with over 5 years of experience working with men just like you. And I want to invite you to join me for this conversation, not as a lecture, but as a talk between friends. Before we get started, let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from today? And if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because too many men are silently struggling when simple, natural solutions are available. All right, let's break this down. Here's the truth most men don't realize. The challenges you're facing often have far less to do with simply getting old and much more to do with what's happening inside your body, especially your blood vessels, hormones, and energy systems. We tend to think of aging as some unstoppable force, like a downhill slide you can't fight. But biologically, that's not what's really happening. What's going on is this: testosterone gradually declines. Yes, that's natural. But stress, poor sleep, and a processed diet can speed up that decline by years, even decades. Circulation slows down, not because your heart stops working, but because the lining of your arteries, called the endothelium, becomes less responsive. The vessels don't open up as quickly to let blood flow where it needs to go. Think of it like trying to water your garden with a kinked hose. The water is there, the pressure is there, but it doesn't reach the flowers in time. That's why, even though your desire hasn't gone away, your body doesn't always cooperate. The drive is still alive. It just needs better support. And this is exactly where the drink I'm about to share comes in. Over the years, I've worked with hundreds of men who told me the same story. Doc, the interest is still there, but the response isn't. I don't want to live on pills. Isn't there another way? The answer is yes. One of the simplest, most effective natural tools we have is fresh beetroot juice combined with lemon juice. Now, you might be thinking, beets? Really? That doesn't sound romantic. But here's where science makes things fascinating. Beets are one of nature's richest sources of dietary nitrates. Inside your body, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that acts like a master switch for blood vessels. Nitric oxide is what tells your arteries, relax, open up, let the blood flow in. Without enough nitric oxide, even a strong heart can't deliver circulation where it matters most. Add fresh lemon juice, and you get vitamin C, which helps protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Together, they're a natural circulation booster, without the side effects of medication. That's the science. But how does this play out day to day? That's where most men are surprised. Before I show you exactly how to make this drink, let's pause and look at the 5 biggest mistakes I see men over 50 making with their energy, circulation, and performance. Because even the best natural remedy won't help if these habits are holding you back. Mistake number 1, thinking it's just old age. Biologically, age itself isn't the enemy. It's how your blood vessels respond. When nitric oxide levels drop, circulation falters. Emotionally, believing it's just old age makes men feel powerless, as if nothing can be done. Practically, the fix is simple. Support your circulation with foods and habits that restore nitric oxide. Beet juice is one of the easiest. Mistake number 2, relying only on pills. Biologically, pills override your system temporarily, but they don't repair the root cause, your vascular responsiveness. Emotionally, depending on medication can quietly erode confidence. Many men tell me they feel less natural. Practically, pills may help in the moment, but pairing them with natural boosters like beets builds long-term resilience. Mistake number 3, ignoring lifestyle accelerators. Biologically, stress hormones constrict blood vessels, poor sleep lowers testosterone, a sedentary lifestyle weakens your heart and muscles. Emotionally, when energy is low, self-esteem suffers. Intimacy becomes another worry instead of a joy. Practically, small, consistent habits, walking, lifting light weights, eating more vegetables, make a huge difference in blood flow and stamina. Mistake number 4, wrong timing with natural boosters. Biologically, studies show nitrate levels peak 30 to 45 minutes after drinking beet juice. Too early or too late and you miss the window? Emotionally, if you don't know the timing, you feel like it doesn't work and lose hope. Practically, sip it about half an hour before intimacy for best results. That's your sweet spot. Mistake number 5, withdrawing out of frustration. Biologically, when intimacy declines, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, drops and distance grows. Emotionally, your partner may feel confused or even rejected, thinking she's the problem. Practically, don't pull away. Lean in. With the right strategies, your body can support you again. Now let's get practical. Here's how to make this drink. Take 1 medium fresh beet, peel it, chop it into chunks, juice it, or blend with a little water, then strain. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon, not bottled, fresh. Stir and drink immediately. Don't let it sit. The active compounds fade quickly. Optional, add a thumb-sized piece of ginger for an extra circulation kick. Key safety notes. If you have low blood pressure, take ED meds or heart medications. Talk to your doctor first. Don't be alarmed if your urine turns pink or red. That's harmless beet pigment. If you've had kidney stones, be cautious. Beets are high in oxalates. For lasting results, aim for this drink 2 to 3 times a week. Think of it not as a one-time trick, but as part of your lifestyle tune-up. Pair it with daily movement, strength training, plenty of vegetables and lean protein, consistent sleep. Over weeks and months, your baseline vitality improves, not just in intimacy, but in energy, focus, and confidence. Gentlemen, let me say this clearly. Your desire is not gone. What you're feeling is not the end of the road. Your body just needs a tune-up. The passion, the drive, the spark, it's still in you. I've seen men who once dreaded intimacy rediscover energy they thought was lost forever, not with magic, not with risky shortcuts, but by working with their biology instead of against it. Aging is not the end of vitality. In fact, with the right habits, it can be the start of deeper connection, stronger confidence, and more meaningful intimacy than you ever imagined. This drink isn't about chasing youth. It's about supporting the man you are now, a man who deserves freedom, confidence, and joy in every part of life. So here's my challenge to you. Try it. Notice how you feel. And remember, the goal isn't just better performance, it's better connection. If this message resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. You never know which friend, brother, or father needs to hear this today. Until next time, take care of your health, take care of your relationships, and never forget, you matter.